Good morning, one and all. I'm sharing again in front of you. As usually, I try to share something, whatever comes in my mind, and whatever I learn new things. So I try to deliver through my speech, through my opinion, in front of you. And today I'm going to share my experience. And mostly people when I meet, so they keep on saying I want to speak English, but due to more than more hesitation, and I'm not able to speak. So friends, today I would like to teach, I would like to share, and how can you overcome your fear, overcome your hesitation when you get a chance to stand in front of anyone. So you can overcome your hesitation. So I would like to share some tips, because when I had no knowledge about English, so I was suffering this type of problem. And you have to put in your mind, if you want to speak English, if you want to do anything. So the first that time you have to face many difficulties, because you are a learner. So you should not think about difficulties. Difficulty is a part of our life. Due to more difficulties, we can get everything. But you have to put in your mind, yeah, I have already decided in my mind I want to do this work. So first of all, you have to know about that work. Like you want to speak English, so you have to understand what is the root cause of learn English. First of all, you have to learn something step to step. You should not compare with the others, because you have to know about anyone's story. So they have faced many problems in their life, and more practice they so you should not compare to each other. And if you want to speak, if you want to do anything, so first of all you have to create environment. Due to environment is a play a big role of move in our life, in our target. So you can get easily your target. If you want to create an environment, don't worry, you have to discuss yourself. First of all, you have to put in your mind, I want to do this. After that you can do, and you have to go to step to. English is just language. You should not think about a big problem. No, it is a just language, and almost the language are learned by the environment. Due to environment, we can do type this act. So you have to create an environment. You have to attach that type people who want to speak English, and you have to do practice and do some. First of all, you have to open your mouth. Without opening your mouth, you keep on thinking all the time, I wanted to do this. You cannot do. First of all, you have to more mistake while discussing, while speaking. After making so many mistakes, you will think, you will realize yourself, oh, I have already that time this time mistake. So you definitely keep on trying to improving your mistake. And I'm suggesting you, because when I started speaking English, learn English, so I had a lot of fear. I could not stand in front of anyone in front of the podium and with my friends. So I could not able to open my mouth, and I cannot explain my, because almost the people know about the English language very well, but they cannot reply in English, and they cannot discuss in English, because when they get a chance to discuss and they get a chance to speak English in front of anyone, so they can make a sentence in their mind. Because due to more practice, if you will do practice more, as you see, I am speaking due to some structure. You have to put in your mind, and sentences is play a big role. So you have to understand and study for some time, and you can get easily. It is a just language. You should not burden on your mind, it is a just language and how can I discuss, I cannot speak. No, every can speak, but you have to create environment, and due to environment and open your mouth, you have to stand in front of the mirror, and you have to practice more than more yourself. And it is a good platform for learn, like a YouTube is a very good good platform for learn. You can you can learn anything from the YouTube, and there are many if you want to choose any type channel, any type teacher, so you can get, and you have to use in this mobile, and after that you have to record in your mobile, and you can improve yourself. You don't need to anyone. That's why I do like this, and I keep on practicing all the time myself. I don't need to discuss with anyone. But when I meet with my friend, when I go anywhere, so I keep on trying to convert in Hindi to English, because we almost use the Hindi word. So we first of all we have to convert Hindi and English. It is a very big difficulty, but due to more than more practice, you will have to automatically, your mind automatically work convert Hindi to English. When you see through your eyes, and you do an action, so your mind is automatically convert English, and through your mouth you will speak very easily. So I'm suggesting you, first of all you have to open your mouth and put in your mind, you have to set a goal. What do you want to do in your life? And you have to decide, I will do this. And when one time you have decided in your mind your goal, so you will do this type act, and your mind is search new ideas, new idea like this type work. So first of all you have to, and you don't need to put in your mind a big goal, and you keep on thinking, when I perfectly completely, after that I will open mouth. It doesn't matter. Practice is a means perfect for becoming in your life anything, and nobody can cares about your story until you win. So that's why you have to win. So listen, so attention, and I'm suggesting, because I faced many problems while learning when I started. So I keep on learn my past time. How can I speak very easily and confidently? So you have to open your mouth and create environment. First of all, you should not think about your friend circle, your family members, and anyone are making your fun. So you should not afraid this type of thing, because you are a learner, you have no knowledge about that subject. So they are making fun, don't worry, you should not think about, because you have to put in your mind your goal. So you have to do act and go at the way on your goal. So you should not think about others, because it is a human nature for make the fun, and you are a great, because due to some people are making fun of you and laugh sometimes. So it is a good for you. You have to think a positive, don't a negative thing. Anybody insult you, so you should not think about an insult, because you are a learner, and you have to face this type problem. So when you learn one thing, how can you face this type problem? So you can learn very easily, and try to open your mouth and speak whatever comes in mind. Almost the people are using the English word almost all the time through the mobile, and where here and there go. So mostly we are using the English word, but due to hesitation, due to fear, we cannot speak, we cannot throw out our mouth. You should not think about it. It is just language, and when we make some mistakes, so that's why we can learn very easily, because we have to realize, oh, that time I had this time mistake. So friends, I have already suggest you, and I will definitely support you. If you need to support me, I will definitely. And how can you overcome your hesitation? How can you improve your skill? And anytime anybody wants to support me, I will definitely. help you. So keep on watching this video, and I try level my best to whatever I comes in my mind, whenever I go anywhere. So I try to level my best to describe that place, yeah, that things. So through my video. So keep on watching, and thank you everyone. Thank you.